for players to earn vital norms to become grandmaster and international master, fostering the growth of the chess players. Goa has always promoted sports, and with the recent success of hosting the 37th National Games along with other world-class events, we have shown the Goa is truly becoming a hub for the sports, national and international tournament. Some people are saying that we are spending so much money on this grandeur. Basically, this is the investment we are doing on our players, especially local players, so that they can get the norms and become masters, grandmasters, and their journey ahead. We hope that from this tournament we will have norms, maximum norms for all the players, plus especially our Goan players. And if we get some norms for our Goan players, it will be our success. This tournament is having in the name of Manohar Parrikar, and it is a proud moment for us that we are having this in this stadium which was constructed by Mr. Parrikar, late Parrikar, Manohar Bhai, in record time. It is a really dedication towards his work done. A big thank you to the media for amplifying this event, reach and encouraging more youth to take up chess. This tournament is being held in the world-class Shamaprasad Mukherjee, a venue that showcases Goa's growing capability to host international events. Lastly, I hope this tournament inspired many Goans talents to follow in the footsteps of players like Dignitary, who played here before in the last edition and has been crowned world champion now. I hope we produce world champion from this tournament. Thank you all, and I wish all the participants a very best. Let's look forward to an exciting 8 days of chess. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mahesh Kandalkar sir, for your warm welcome address. As a gesture of gratitude and respect, we will now proceed with the presentation of flowers to each of our esteemed dignitaries on the days. This token of appreciation are a symbol of our thanks for their valuable presence and unwavering support in promoting the game of chess. I would like to call upon Mr. Dattaram Pingle to present a bouquet to our guest of honor, the Honorable Minister of Sports, Art and Culture, Sri Govind Gowde sir. Please give a round of applause. Sri Govind Gowde sir is a passionate and proactive leader who has made significant contributions to the advancement of sports and culture in Goa. Under his stewardship, the state has seen numerous initiatives that encourage the participation of young athletes and artists, helping to put Goa on the map as a hub for sporting excellence. His ongoing support for chess, alongside his broader vision for youth empowerment, makes his presence today even more meaningful. We are grateful for his support and honored to have him with us at this prestigious event.
Sports
I would like to call Mrs. Pallavi Kakodkar to present a bouquet to GCA President Sri Mahesh Kandolkar.
स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर है।
I would like to call Mr. Atish Angle to present a bouquet to GCA Secretary Ashish Kedi. I would like to call Mr. Ramchandra Parak to present a bouquet to Mr. Vishwas Pilan. Please give a round of applause. Thank you. I would like to call Mr. Shirish Diwankar to present a bouquet to a Chief Arbiter, IA Ganesh Babu S. Please keep the round of applause going. Thank you. I would like to call Dataram Pinkesar to present a bouquet to IA Arvind Mamal sir. I would like to call Mr. Atish Angle to give a bouquet to Mr. Sagar Sakotekar. I would like to call Mrs. Pallavi Kakorkar to present a bouquet to Mr. Damodar Zapaulekar. I would like to call Mr. Ramchandra Parak to present a bouquet to Sri Kishore Bounce Desai sir. Now we'll proceed with the lighting of the lamp, a sacred and symbolic ritual that marks the beginning of this auspicious occasion. The lighting of the lamp signifies the removal of darkness and the arrival of knowledge, wisdom, and enlightenment, qualities that are deeply embedded in the game of chess. I request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly come forward to light the lamp as we invoke blessings for the success and smooth conduct of this tournament. As the lamp is lit, let us all join in spirit, embracing the values of intelligence, competition, fair play, and sportsmanship that define this wonderful game of chess.
Come.
Please give them a round of applause. Thank you.
What's on news? मैंने कैसा Sam. किती शाब्दिक कलम दे. Sam, this is not Buddha.
Thank you so much.
Hey, Sam.
We now turn to an update on the significant activities and initiatives led by the Goa Chess Association, which has played a key role in organizing this prestigious tournament. To share more about the association's work and its ongoing efforts to promote chess in Goa, I would like to call the Secretary of Goa Chess Association, Sri Ashish Keni Sir, to present the report. Sri Keni Sir's dedication to the growth of chess in our region is commendable, and his leadership has been vital in building a strong foundation for the game in Goa. Let us now hear from him about the recent accomplishments and future initiatives of the Goa Chess Association.
Honorable guest, Chief Guest, Sri Goan Gaudi, and all my colleagues from the Goa Chess Association, all our guests, grandmasters, international masters, women grandmasters, women international masters, and all the players, parents, and my dear friends. Goa Chess Association is going from strength to strength, and we have also the very strong support of Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Sri Pramod G. Sawant, and of course our beloved Sports Minister, Mr. Govind Gaudi. So I will request you to please first give them a big hand. As you know, Goa is a small state, and we require resources for conducting the chess activities and other sports activities. And Sri Govind Gaudi and our Chief Minister have been very forthcoming with us, and they have come forward always to help us. So I thank first of all both of them. The Goa Chess Association, we have got 12 Taluka Chess Associations as per the sports code. And recently we have started the Chess School program. This is a pilot program where every Taluka Chess Association is coordinating with two selected schools in the geographical area to provide free of cost training to all students in the class. This we are providing for the students of third and fourth standard with two students with two classes per week. The cost is entirely borne by the Goa Chess Association from certain funds which are the All India Chess Federation is providing and other funds which we are generating. This works out to almost 10 lakhs per year. We have also recently conducted the Senior National Arbiter Training Course, and we are very happy to inform you that more than 20 arbiters from Goa have already been given the license, and many of them are doing the arbitership in this tournament. We are conducting every year regular fidelity tournaments, and Goa Chess Association is among the foremost chess associations in the country. With every week, there are at least one chess activity being conducted. This is all thanks to the various efforts put in by our executive members and the Taluka Chess Associations. We are sending every year teams in under 7, under 9, under 11, under 13, under 15, under 19, and the state selections for the senior category in the open and in the girls section. All our players are participating with good sportsman spirit, and we have already have grandmasters and international masters. So, and we have a program grandmaster. We have a program for grants for grandmasters and international masters, which will be completing very shortly.
This tournament has a budget of more than 400 lakhs, and our Goan Chief Minister and Mr. Pramod Samantji and Sports Minister Mr. Govind Gowde have come forward to support us in a big manner. We also thank all the sponsors who have helped us in this tournament. On behalf of Goa Chess Association, I thank all of you all, and we will be bringing many more activities in the near future. Thank you.
Ya, apa ya? Pak, ya, apa kita baca? Nah, apa?
We now move on to a very special segment where we honor the grandmasters who are part of this prestigious tournament. These chess giants have achieved the pinnacle of success in this game, and their presence here today elevates the stature of this event. It is a privilege to recognize their exceptional talent and contribution to the chess world. Goa Chess Association would like to honor them for their dedication to chess. May they be an inspiration to all the budding players to reach greater heights. We will now proceed with the felicitation of the distinguished grandmasters. I invite the dignitaries to kindly join us in recognizing their achievements and contributions to the game of chess. I would like to call the grandmasters from India and abroad. The top seed of this tournament is Grandmaster Dignitary. The chief guest of the tournament. Please give them a round of applause. Dignitary Ghosh for you, Grandmaster. I'd like to call Grandmaster S.P. Seturaman. Kindly rise. Thank you. A big round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I'd like to call Grandmaster Seturaman S.P. Is he here? Grandmaster Siddharth Jagdish from Singapore. Grandmaster Mitraba Guha from India. Round of applause for Mr. Guha. I would like to call Grandmaster Sauchenko Boris from Russia. Grandmaster Satyendra Das from India. Grandmaster Deepan Chakrabarti from India. Grandmaster Alexei Fedorov from Belarus. Grandmaster Marat Zumau from Uzbekistan. Grandmaster Nguyen Hao from Vietnam. Round of applause. Thank you. Grandmaster Evgeny Podolchenko from Belarus. Grandmaster Lakshman R.R. from India. Grandmaster Nicholas Manik from Slovakia. Grandmaster Zeb Attila from Hungary, Grandmaster Vasim Diadimo from USA, Next, we take a moment to honor the talented star players from Goa whose hard work and dedication have made a significant impact on the chess community. These players have brought pride to Goa through their achievements and continue to inspire the next generation of chess enthusiasts and competitors. I would like to invite Grandmaster Anurag Mamul, who became the very first Grandmaster from Goa in 2017. For some unavoidable circumstances, he couldn't be there with us. I'd like to request International Master Amaya Audi, a leading international master since 2021, to please come forward. Sorry, he couldn't be there. I would like to request International Master Ritwij Paral, a talented international master since 2023, to please come forward for the felicitation. I would like to request International Master Ethan Vaz, who became Goa's latest international master in 2024 at 12 years of age and is currently the youngest IM in India and one of the youngest international masters in the world. Goa is also honored to have amongst us the top active players who unfortunately couldn't participate in these events. Grandmaster Leon Luke Mendonça, Grandmaster since 2019 and Goa's highest rated player, International Master and Women Grandmaster Bhakti Kulkarni, Goa's star woman player, and International Master Nitish Belukar, a talented player and a Grandmaster International Master from 2022. Goa is proud of you all and Goa Chess Association wishes you much success ahead. Please take your seat, sir. We would like to click a group photograph of all the grandmasters with the dignitaries. Thank you so much, gentlemen. We now move on to an important segment of today's inauguration, the keynote address by our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Sri Govind Gauri sir. Sri Govind Gauri sir has been a strong advocate for the growth of sports and culture in Goa. His tireless efforts to promote chess and other athletic endeavors have had a profound impact on the state's sports landscape. We are privileged to have him with us today to share his thoughts and vision for the future of chess in Goa and India. Please join me in welcoming Sri Govind Gauri sir to deliver his address.
A very good afternoon to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to be in the midst of these lovely chess players across the world. I take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone, the grandmasters who have been felicitated, the international masters, rating masters, their coaches, referees, and their family members in this tiny and beautiful state of Goa. On the inaugural ceremony of this late Shri Manohar Parrikar, third Goa International Grandmaster Chess Championship 2025, we have among us the President of the Goa Chess Association, my dear friend Shri Mahesh Khandolkar, the Secretary of GCA Shri Ashish Kineji, the Treasurer Shriman Vishwas Pilaredakarji, the Chief Arbitrator Shri Ganesh Babu, all the distinguished guests on the dais, my dear press reporter, digital media, and all the spectators. A very warm welcome to you all, not only being the sports minister of Goa, but अतिथि देवो भव, ये हमारी संस्कृति है. I also being art and culture minister. On behalf of the government of Goa, I welcome all the delegates from 23 countries and their family once again in this beautiful tiny state of Goa. First of all, it's a very great moment, a proud moment to the Goa, and I am very much thankful to the Chess Federation of India and the Goa Chess Association, who has put every effort for hosting this championship and who has imposed the faith on the government of Goa. As far as sporting beauty is concerned, Goa has been very instrumental for hosting great events, and especially the sports event last many years, where we can say, always my Honorable Chief Minister saying that Goa has got one S more in this sun, sand, and one sports and tourism, where we are promoting our tourism by means of our sports. And unless and until you are not going to take the participation in these beautiful sports, maybe of any kind of discipline, and I will always say that chess is a game of a beauty and a brilliance. Intellectuality is very much important to guide and giving the directions to the Indian economy and as a world as a whole. Unless and until we do not compete with each other, we do not understand the depth or what is the height we have reached. But to organize a tournament, it requires immense effort, hard work, the sheer dedication. Then only it is possible for us to host or to organize a beautiful event. My Goa's, and especially the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, has got the immense facilities to promote and provide the beautiful requirements at the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, because this Shama Prasad Mukherjee was also a dream project of our then ex-chief minister, and today's this championship has been organized by the late in the name of late Shri Manohar Parrikar, who has been a very instrumental figure for getting this kind of infrastructure and promoting Goa in a sporting hub. I will also always say that all the kids, all the children, and as far as India is concerned, I think every alternate family is playing a chess at their home. In order to, discipline is very important in the one's life. The thought process is very much important in playing the game. And it is the last moment we have to take the decision to give the last, what I mean to say, the last breath to the game or full stop to the game. Unless and until we are not putting every effort or the dedication in the game, it's very difficult to us to know who am I or what I can do. But most of the time, whenever we are playing the many kinds of a game or many discipline games in the different disciplines, the first negative thought process is coming, is it possible us or me to play that game? But I will rather say that I can do it, I can play it. And unless and until there is no thought process or positive thoughts are not coming in mind, it's very difficult to achieve the goal which has been set in front by us. But in the today's time, what I've always seen in the last so many years, that there are two Khalanayak, I will say, the negative people, I will say, the negative talk and the negative people around us. There is something, a negative talk within us. And there are people who always talk negatively, who is distressing or to the prayer or anybody who is going or march towards achieving the goal. And I will rather say that definitely everybody has got the immense thought process. He has totally has got willpower to march toward the goal. And unless and until we are not going to focus, I am ratherly continuously saying this, that the focus is very important in any kind of a game or any discipline. Unless and until we are going to distract our focus, it is not possible us to target the opponent. And I will rather say the upcoming youth mind, not only from my Goa but all over the India, that you should never thought negative. Because if any grandmaster, the world champion is playing against you, you have to always concentrate on the game of you and not the game of anybody who is playing for his comfort. But unless and until we are not coming out from the comfort zone and we are not putting us into the uncomfort situation, we are never going to get the victory in the chosen field. I wish to each and everyone who is going to participate in this chess championship all the best and all the best to the Goa Chess Association. I know it's very difficult to organize this kind of event unless and until we do not have some sound financial condition. Elected people or the association which has been run by the few people and who is giving the platform to the upcoming minds. I request each and every the CSR people to look at the positive way to support sports. Unless until your heads are not coming to support this kind of a games of the association, it is very difficult for us to create the platform. And unless and until we prove ourselves, then only many hands are going to come to support the game or to make move ahead from the achieving the goal. I am once again assuring on behalf of the government of Goa and on behalf of my Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to the GCA that every support whichever we have given in the past. And I have already spoken to the President, Mahesh Kandolkar, who is a very instrumental person behind this organizing this tournament along with the other members. They were making the arrangement of this grandmasters since last September. Every day they were continuously in touch with me. Hope everything will be going fine by another 8 or 9 days of time. And Goa will be a shining star in the sporting arena, and we can have that potential to host any kind of world championship, because after the 37 international games, everybody is eyeing to host their own championship world championship, I mean to say, and they are eager to come down to the Goa because everybody knows the Goan people are very polite. They have got a great respect for each and everyone, and we will continuously support in promoting. And I hope everybody is going to promote the sports. And to all young minds, whoever come from the across the world, I wish them a very comfortable stay. I wish them all the best in their chosen field and this particularly game. Come out with the flying pillars. Let us come out from the box and the comfort zone to prove the great success in our chosen field. I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone present over here, and very much thankful to the organization, the GCA, who has given me this opportunity to speak towards in front of you. And once again, a great welcome on behalf of the government of Goa and my personal capacity. I wish all the best to each and everyone. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant stay in the state of Goa. Thank you so much.